how to make the maxi paper airplane. Here. So first, you're gonna want to fold it in half, like this. I'm a perfectionist, so yeah. Alright, and then once you fold it in half, crease it, then unfold it. Then you take the top and fold it down. Not all the way down, just like about 1.5 to 2 inches above the bottom. Super crease. And then unfold it. And then you'll have a line about 75% of the way up. Fold the top down to there. So you have it like this. Then fold it down again like that. Then you're gonna do a mountain fold to the middle. I do it at the same time because I can line it up better like that. And once you got your mountain folds like this, unfold these so it's back to like this. Then once you have it like this, take the edge like this. Take the edge like this and fold it to that line. So it looks like this. And do that to the other side. Then, once you have this, watch closely, because this is a confusing part. Watch closely. You're going to take this, and then lift this up, and fold it under here. Like that, if you want to see me do it again. Take this, so you have it like this, take this, take it, and then take this part that we just folded down, and fold it under in. Might have messed mine up. No, I didn't. Okay. This isn't good folding. Then you have this. Fold it outwards like this. So it looks like this. Now don't leave yet because it's not long time to lose it. Take a scissors and go to the top part like this. About 1/2 inch off. Cut diagonal out. Cut diagonal out like that, and then cut straight up to that diagonal. So then you can yank this little piece off so it looks like this. Alright, then you fold the wings down. Make these pretty big wings. And do that to the other side. And then fold up like this. So once you have your wings down, fold it down. Take this little slice and fold it up. Flip it over. And then flip that slice up. And then unfold it like this. Yeah, guys, you have your favorite paper airplane. This is probably really hard to understand. Like and subscribe.